Hi, I'm Karen Sanders, hunter and taxidermist. I hunt to provide for myself and my family, so I take it pretty seriously. This year, I'm excited to be teaming up with Heated Hunts. Heated Hunts makes heated scent dispensers, which heat your favorite scent up to 105 degrees, the same temperature as big game. So what's exciting about that is, for one, it makes your scent more effective in traveling further, but also, I mean, scent coming out of a buck is warm, isn't it? So that's really exciting for me to be trying that out this year. So how it works is pretty easy. You unscrew the bottom part, put your batteries in there. There's a little battery pack in there. And you screw that bottom part back so it's watertight. It's got a wick up here, felt wick, with silicone heaters that heat your scent up. You could either spray your scent on these two felt parts, or you can actually fill up this 3/4 of the way with your favorite scent, and that'll heat it up to 14 hours. So you do that, you screw it back together. So it's ready to turn on. That red light lets you know it's on. And hang in a tree 4.5 to 5.5 feet off the ground. Or you actually also have the option of setting it on the ground if you need. It actually does sit. So you have those two options. So that's what I'll be using this year, and I'm excited to be filling my freezer.